Hi guys, Belinda here, welcome back. I am working on a 12 by 24 canvas and I'm going to just put my white down and then I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, I'm back. I'm just going to torch this quick. So I'm very happy to say that the two previous paintings that I have sold, which would be the one called Elegant, black white, which I resined. I did a resin finish. That one's gone to its new home, as well as the Fire and Ice, and they were both the same size as this, 12 by 24 inch. So I'm just picking out any little fluffs and things that I see. Make sure it's nice and perfect. Ooh, there's another one there. Where are they coming from? Okay. And I'm going to lay down a little bit of my, this is my bloom recipe. So I'm just going to go ahead and put down a bit. Don't need too much of it. Then I'm going in with red. So I was just wondering, yeah, just checking guys, seems to be the same red. Gonna have it everywhere. So let's go like that. That's the red. I did bring my other red with me, but I don't need it. Then I'm going in with yellow. So this here is the bright yellow. It's called bright yellow by Pebeo. In the description I will put all my paints, so you can click on either see more or click on the down arrow or click on the video title and it will open up the description. So the orange I'm using is Vermillion Orange. It's really pretty. I will just pour that on. So I'm not really putting it into, mostly I'm putting it to the side of the yellow. Right, and then I have teal. And I'm just going to lay that on top. Actually, this is not teal, it's turquoise. Sorry, guys. Now I have this beautiful cyan blue. And I'm just putting that right on top of that turquoise. Beautiful color. This blue is unreal. When you get this blue onto your hands, I can tell you this much, you're going to have a real problem getting it off. Hence why I'm wearing my gloves. But it does make the most beautiful colors. Okay guys. That is gorgeous. So I'm going to do a bit of a blow. I'm just wondering if I should. I like this. I love everything. I just think that that one there in particular is not as bright as the rest of them. So let's see. I don't know why I've got so many cells popping up. That's a little weird. Give this a bit of a torch. Wow, there's like a huge amount of cells popping up. So again, I would like to blow. I just want to bring it in a bit. So let's see if we don't get the hair in. Yeah, that's a bit better because it's kind of balanced it a bit more. Okay, let's see. That's a bit better. Alright guys, I'm going to sort out my sides and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, so here it is. I have so many cells, it is unbelievable. I have used my bloom recipe with this blowout before and I never quite got as many cells, but I do love it. All of these beautiful colors. Excuse the studio lights following me around, but it is very overcast this afternoon, so you're not going to be able to see much without it. So here we go, look at those gorgeous cells there. So guys, if you're interested in purchasing any of my artwork, the shipping probably will be a lot cheaper than what you think. So you can flick me an email on withBade@gmail.com. That is so pretty. Those colors and the folds in the petals, the folds like over there. There's so many folds, and the blue in the center makes it look like it's got depth, which I was hoping that that's exactly what it was going to do. All of those beautiful cells and colors intermingled. I love that part over there. It kind of looks 3D, it looks like resin, all those cells along there. Well guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.